Discover how to monetize your YouTube channel with this step-by-step guide. Learn essential strategies to generate revenue and maximize your earnings potential. Are you ready to transform your YouTube channel into a money-making machine? Your passion can become your paycheck. It's time to monetize your content, and we're here to guide you. Don't underestimate the power of your creativity. Every video you post is a potential goldmine. Imagine each view, each like, each share turning into dollars. That's the power of YouTube monetization. But how do you start? It all begins with YouTube's partner program. Meet their criteria, and you're halfway there. Eligibility is just the first step, understanding the rules is the game changer. Let your content speak for itself. High-quality, original videos attract advertisers. Give your audience what they want and the advertisers will follow. Consistency is key. Regular uploads keep viewers and advertisers coming back for more. Don't overlook the power of a call to action. Encourage your viewers to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Every engagement boosts your visibility, increasing your revenue potential. Consider channel memberships and merchandise shelves. These features are not just for the big players. Your loyal fans are willing to pay for exclusive content and products. Capitalize on their loyalty. Lastly, never stop learning and adapting. YouTube is an ever-changing platform. Stay ahead of the curve, keep up with the trends, and your revenue will follow. Remember, your YouTube channel is not just about views, it's about value. Start monetizing today and watch your passion turn into profit.